Hey everyone, today we're checking out the AOCHUAN Smart XE mobile gimbal, a compact, feature-packed gimbal that promises smooth video, smart controls, and creative options. Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is sleek and designed to highlight the gimbal's main features. You get 3-axis stabilization, a magnetic mount, full zoom and focus controls, 3 shooting modes, and a foldable design. It works seamlessly with a smart app that gives you full control and advanced shooting features. We'll check that out later. Inside the box, we've got the gimbal itself, a magnetic RGB fill light, a mini tripod, USB-C charging cable, and user manuals for both the gimbal and the light. Let's open it up and take a look. The gimbal is small and lightweight, and it feels sturdy. The foldable design is a real advantage. It is equipped with a powerful motor capable of multi-angle inception shooting, ideal for achieving pro-grade dynamic results. Here's the tripod, super handy if you're filming on a desk or need hands-free shots. It also provides extra stability for long-exposure photography or time-lapse videos. The magnetic light, compact and super easy to attach. We'll dive into it later, but it's got some nice color options. Standard USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. Both the gimbal and the magnetic fill light come with manuals. Definitely worth reading if you want all the little tips and button guides. The manuals are well detailed, covering everything from the initial setup and basic functions to more advanced features such as different light and shooting modes and the app integration. There's also some info on the gimbal's specs. To make things even clearer, the guides are packed with images that illustrate each step, ensuring you can follow along effortlessly. The Smart XE gimbal weighs 350 grams, and the foldable design makes it perfect for on-the-go creators. It has versatile shooting modes and intelligent features for creative filming. On the side, there's a zoom slider for tight and wide perspective and a focus wheel. There are 3 main modes: F-follow, POV, and DM rotation mode. The joystick is responsive and gives you that silky smooth movement, exactly what you'd expect from a solid 3-axis gimbal. There's a power button for switching the gimbal on and off and a record button for photos and videos. On the side, there's a charging port. Overall, the gimbal is impressively compact and lightweight. Okay, let's open it up. Once unfolded, you'll see that there's a QR code to download the app on the back, along with a quick guide for getting started. The app is available on both iOS and Android. The gimbal fits well in hand, and it has a payload of 250 grams. The battery fully charges in 3.5 hours and lasts about 10 hours. Let's attach the tripod. It screws right into the bottom. Quick and simple. Super handy if you're filming on a desk or need hands-free shots. Let's take a moment to appreciate this gimbal's simple yet stylish and functional design. The Smart XE supports modern smartphones with a width between 55 and 90 millimeters. Mounting is super simple. Just align the gimbal name facing up, place your phone, and power it on. It auto-levels and you're ready to go. Double-press the record button to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Time to download the gimbal app. Just scan the QR code or find it on the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, the app asks for permission to find Bluetooth devices and to connect with the gimbal. Press Allow and then press Connect. After that, it will ask to pair via Bluetooth with your mobile phone and to access the phone's camera and microphone. The app is highly intuitive, offering an extensive selection of modes, including long exposure, trajectory delay, time-lapse, with parameters such as shutter interval from 0.5 to 5 seconds, shooting time from 30 seconds to 6 hours, slow motion, video, photo, panorama, and even creative modes like Hitchcock and Inception. There's also a movie mode and moves, which teaches you how to achieve various shots. When it comes to video settings, we can choose between 720p, 1080p, and 4K at 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. You can pick H.264 or H.265 codecs based on your storage and editing needs. Other options include a timer, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or none. Flash on and off, and a flashlight mode. Camera settings let you toggle on and off selfie mirror, photo aspect ratio, Bluetooth mic, and lock face tracking. There are different grid overlays for framing. Anti-shake on and off. Lens choice such as rear telephoto lens, rear ultra-wide angle lens, or rear lens. There's also a horizontal line toggle, horizontal adjustment, and zoom speed control. Expert mode gives you access to fine-tuning. You can lock your shutter speed, manually adjust ISO, and most importantly, set a specific white balance, like 5500 Kelvin for daylight. Note that beauty mode is disabled at 4K or 60 FPS but offers various presets at lower settings. You've got loads of custom VSO and InstaFilter presets. Or you can experiment with your own beauty settings, which include smooth skin, whitening, and blush. As you can see, they don't work on Genshin Impact Lumini. However, they do work on actual people. The app offers 3 follow modes and integration with third-party apps. The first one, face tracking, automatically locks onto your face and follows you around. This ensures that you're always the focal point, making it ideal for vlogging, live streaming, and self-recorded content. Works surprisingly well, even on Nezuko's face. Look how smoothly it follows her, keeping her perfectly framed at all times. The next follow mode is body tracking, which intelligently detects the subject's eyes and locks onto the torso to ensure smooth and precise tracking. It's ideal for capturing dynamic movement, making it perfect for sports shots, dance performances, and fitness content. The last follow mode is the object tracking. Just draw a box around your object and the camera will follow its movements. This feature is incredibly useful for filming dynamic scenes, whether you're capturing a moving vehicle, a pet, or an action-packed moment. It will effortlessly keep a chosen subject in focus. The next cool feature is the gesture control. You can switch between video and photo mode with a fist, start, or stop recording with a palm gesture, enable or disable face tracking with an OK sign, change between portrait and landscape with a thumbs up, and activate or deactivate gestures using an L sign. The Smart XE is a fantastic choice for creators looking for smooth, pro-quality stabilization. It operates effortlessly, ensuring fluid motion without jitters. The joystick is incredibly responsive, allowing for precise control over movements. The app is intuitive and packed with helpful features, making it one of the best companion apps available. Let's not forget about the magnetic RGB fill light. Attaching it takes only a second. Weighing only 22 grams, it is super lightweight, making it perfect for mobile creators who need quick and effortless lighting adjustments on the go. To switch it on, long press the power button. A single press lets you cycle through the available light colors, including white, warm white, red, blue, green, purple, and cyan. By double-clicking the power button, you activate a mode that smoothly transitions through red, blue, green, purple, and cyan. The mode button allows you to adjust brightness with a single click, or activate blinking effect between red and blue with a double click. That's it for the Smart XE Mobile Gimbal. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe. Link to the Smart XE 3-axis gimbal is down in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Take care.